Hello and welcome to Archinet Projects Cover Your Architecture video series. Today we're going to be doing an episode that shows how to use the search engine of Archinet to make sure that all of your architecture is covered. While of course there are many benefits to using Archinet Projects on a current project, including real-time distribution of information, one of the main benefits of the system after you've used a project is once it's completed and in the archive or at some point down the road, you may need to refer to some piece of information that happened in the past. And with Archinet, it's only a few clicks away to get to that information to prove what you thought had happened and to essentially cover your architecture. So to show you how to do this, I'm going to go ahead and log in and I'm going to use the search tool and I'm going to go ahead and search for the glass shop drawings at Madison Square Garden on the 12th floor. Okay, so I know there was an issue with the glass shop drawings from MSG on the 12th floor, and even though this was still from at this point over 2 years ago, I can instantly pull up the glass and metal shop drawings from Madison Square Garden on the 12th floor renovation project and go right into them and see exactly who was notified, whether or not they've downloaded it, and whether any comments have been made. And so with a click of only a few seconds of effort, you automatically are given the search results for whatever you're looking for. This can be great for any type of historic project information. You can just imagine the level of detail that you might need to refer to of something that happened so far in the past that in any other method of finding it would take a long time to retrieve it. I literally retrieved it in a matter of seconds and have spent more time talking about it than I did actually retrieving the information. Anyway, thank you for watching. We hope this was helpful and take care.